In this video, I have a 2010 Ford Escape and I'm going to show you how to add more windshield wiper fluid to it. First step is you need to pop the hood, go under the driver's side. There's going to be a cable release. It has a picture of a car with a hood. Pull it and you'll hear a click. Right above the right side of the Ford icon, there's a gap that has a lever. Take that lever and you're going to move it to the left, and that's going to release the hood. Grab your hood support bar and prop it in. Your windshield wiper fluid is going to be on the left right here. Open that up. Get your windshield wiper fluid and go and start pouring it into your reservoir tank. Once you finish pouring it in, go ahead and close it off. The capacity of the reservoir tank is roughly 1 gallon, which is the exact size of this container. My reservoir was pretty empty. Close the hood and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.